Nga tata wange simanya bwali ya sente tulije mayinja. We have to eat money. My father fought in the bush. Yatambuzanga Lugambo mbayekera. So here we are. Olaba abafumba mmere mu lutalo bajjeno. Ngolite yalwana naye yafumba bufumbi mmere. What about my father who used to move information or Lugambo mubayekera? Tatange bwe mbagamba mbu tatange yalwana tekitegeza ati yalwanisa muntu. Some of our parents were doing different jobs in the war. Wange yali atambuza Lugambo waluje wa genocide bwe agende eno era agani tiyasanga jeno kayule na musala kusomero. So didn't he fight? So now why do you hate me? That I should kill myself because my father fought in the bush? I will not. I will not kill myself. Anybody who wants to victimize me because of my status, that's a lie. I will not. Can we really hate Jesus because he's the Son of God? Nti Yesu ono muwala na kwa mwana wake. Are you stupid? That's why I support General Muhoozi. One is the son of the president. That alone makes me love him. 2 years had a tremendous career in the military. 28 years serving the army. Kati General Muhoozi muwala nirewa. Unless I'm stupid. Please, let jealousy not overshadow your judgment. Let jealousy, bias, not overshadow your judgments. Mutemwina bana. Mbu President Museveni yagala nnyo mutabani obadde yagala yagala eggwe. He's his son. Well, why can't the president love his son?